Ghost guns are the weapons of choice for criminals, gun traffickers, and anyone legally prohibited from buying guns. So what is a ghost gun? Different people use the term in different ways, but the simplest way to understand it is that these are untraceable gun-building kits. With ghost guns, you could go online and without proving you're of proper age, without any inquiry into whether you're someone prohibited by law from having a gun, you could buy one. So they're ghost guns both in the sense that they're almost impossible for law enforcement to trace and because they require no vetting when someone purchases one. This is an industry whose business model is fundamentally premised on circumventing gun laws, selling to people who otherwise could not purchase firearms. The ghost gun industry really exploded beginning around 2019. Before that, law enforcement was recovering maybe 1,000 or 2,000 ghost guns at crime scenes nationwide. But by 2022, law enforcement recovered something like 25,000 ghost guns at crime scenes across the nation. In other words, ghost guns were fueling our gun violence epidemic. In response, Everytown has led the effort to shut this industry down. Back in 2019, Everytown Law filed a petition urging the ATF to regulate ghost guns. When the agency failed to do anything under the Trump administration, we sued them to force their hand. We also filed multiple lawsuits on behalf of victims and survivors of shootings involving ghost guns. And we laid out a clear roadmap for how the newly elected Biden-Harris administration could take action. After years of public pressure, in 2022, the ATF finalized a rule confirming that ghost guns should be treated like the deadly firearms they are. The critical thing to know now is that the rule is working. Early data indicates a drop in ghost gun recoveries at crime scenes in major cities across the country since this new rule took effect. What's more, Polymer 80, the largest producer of ghost gun kits in the country, shut down in August, following implementation of the new rule and multiple lawsuits brought by Everytown Law and others. The fate of the new ATF rule is now in the hands of the United States Supreme Court in a case called VanDerStok v. Garland. Ghost gun sellers and the gun lobby have come together to challenge this rule. They say they're not selling firearms, just kits. But of course, the kits are to make firearms. That's how they're advertised, and they are quickly and easily turned into deadly weapons. To protect the American public, the Supreme Court should affirm the ATF's rule, confirming that ghost guns are to be treated like the deadly firearms they are.